if we go now for Unity and we press play without assigning any texture to our material, you will get the same effect from last time, because our material here there is no texture. So even you assign UV or no UV, the shader in our material will not find any texture, so he will do the same exercise, which means he will use the color, the plain color, for showing the finishes of the material. Now let's turn off Unity. Okay, so let's add texture for our material. In the resources you will find this picture. Add it, drag it to inside our material folder in Unity. Now in our material, let's assign it for our albedo channel. I assigned before, so it's showing. Assign it. Now if you press play, you will find here the texture exactly coming in the right location. Let's make some quick exercise. If we go in the programming, our C# code, and just make comment our UV assigning. So now we don't have UVs. Let's see what's happening in Unity. If there is no UV and we assign texture to our material and we press play, you also found the green color. Unity basically without UV, he don't know how to stick the image for our mesh. So he don't know how to apply it. So the output just green screen. You can expect anything because Unity now he don't know how to apply this texture for this mesh. So let's return back our UV. And press play again. And you can see it. Just I want to mention, highlight, Unity in the shader program, it's determined the relation between the color and the texture. So it can be either blend, maybe it will make it lighter, darker, whatever kind of mathematical module inside the shader, it's apply the relation between the color and the texture page. And that's it for the UV mapping. Okay, finally let's take the comments on the UV mapping. First comment, all coordination point range from 0 to 1. Now, from 0 to 1, you will get the normal scale. 0 is the left edge of the photo and 1 is the right edge. Same 0 in the V coordination, it will be in the bottom, and 1 in the top of the image. Now, if you go more than 1, it will start doing the tiling work, so it will duplicate the image. If you go below than 0, it will reverse the direction, which is the second point. Negative value will reverse the mapping direction. Let's test this point in our C# code. First, let's do play for Unity. And let's remember the photo shape. There is a word hello up, and there is the house on the right side. Now, let's go for C#. First, let's test if we increase the number, what will happen. Now, before we use coordination 0, 1. Now, let's use coordination like 3. So, let's replace all ones by 3. And let's test the code. You can see when we change to 3, it is duplicate all the images for 3 tiles. So let's go back again, test the negative value. Now instead of zeros, let's go back ones. Now let's use the negative. First I will negative the y direction. V axis since it is the texture, and let's go for Unity and see what's happening. You can see once we add the negative, the house direction down, the hello words become down. So it's already reverse up down. Now let's change the other axis. So here one it will become minus, and this one it will be minus. Let's save it. Let's go test it again. And you can see the hello and the house also are changed. Other comment, UV points value are not equal to vertices value. This is obvious, just to insist about this point. when we write the code first time, it was the coordination all between 0 and 1. So I won't say this values by its consequence that we saw it 1 1. Now let's change the value for the vertices. Let's say we have the vertices or our quad, it's basically 5 size. So all point 1 will replace 5. So all the points now between 0 to 5, the range of the quad. But the vertices, the UV map, UV coordination, we keep it 0 to 1 because we say the zeros and the 1, this is the normal range for the UV, so you can see one photo. Now, if we increase the size of the mesh, so it's become big or small, it will stretch the image. This is what we expect. Let's test the theory. Now we have vertices, our quad has become bigger 5 times, but the UVs is still coordination 0, 1. So let's test the code. You can see we have now bigger shape mesh and the image is only getting more stretch. If we want to make it tiling, we have to increase the number as we discussed. That was the comment for the UV mapping. Thank you so much. At the end, if you like the video, please subscribe and turn on the bell, and don't forget to share your opinion below in the comments.